Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shade Boo, only if you're new here. Listen, today is husband's birthday. He has reached 39. Thank God, right? That's a blessing. So I'm just heading out this morning to go sort out a few things because we are going to a luxury buffet later. You wanna clock into this video. So we got the cake now. I just went to Venerio's. You know, that's where we always go to get the red velvet cake. Now I'm heading to the bank. And then from there, Trader Joe's, because Greg said he want a acai bowl. So I'm going to make him one for breakfast. And yeah, then I got to do my toes, my nails, and my hair. So, locking, I should say. I also was thinking that it's a good idea that we drink, that we have an acai bowl, because when we get to the buffet, I want my belly to be fully open to accepting everything. At least as much as I could. So I don't really want to eat like a heavy breakfast or a heavy lunch. And I'm going to skip lunch. So I'm going to just have the bowl. And that'll be it for me. And yeah. So the place that we're going is called Crab House, Times Square, on 42nd Street, I believe, or 40th Street, somewhere over there. It's new. I've been looking at the reviews. I've been looking at TikTok. The food looks really good. The place is beautiful. It is a dress code. They don't really want you coming up in there looking like you're going to the gym, or you so much going to the club showing your big booty, or like, I don't want to say thuggish wear, but you know. So they want you to look appropriate and nice, like you're going to dinner with some class. Okay, so I'm wearing an orange dress. I don't know what Greg is wearing. So he was wearing this orange set, but I don't know. I'm wearing this orange floral kind of. To me, it's vacation vibes, because I did buy it for vacation from Fashion Nova, and I never got a chance to wear it. Oh, that feels so good. So I'm gonna wear it tonight. So yeah, I'm almost to the bank. Let's see. Yeah, I'm almost to the bank. Then after that, Trader Joe's. And then after that, home. Okay, let's go. So, I'm in Trader Joe's now. I got my stuff. So, now home. I called husband. He said he doesn't want no acai bowl this morning. I still bought the stuff because that's what I'm gonna have. Knowing him, he probably want a chicken sandwich or something like that. And I realized it's so early. It is 9 something in the morning. I didn't even realize I came out here that early. Well, the earlier the better, right? Back on the bus I go. Back. I am back. I'm hot. I had to get husband something to eat because he said he ain't eating an acai bowl. So I got him a chicken sandwich like I told y'all he would want. An iced coffee, hazelnut iced coffee, and some watermelon. Because he likes fruit. But he really likes watermelon. Yeah, so I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna make my acai bowl. I also did his hair last night, which it came out really, really cute. And because you know, I got the skills with the fingers. I got magic fingers. I am hot. I just finished making my ackee bowl. I put a little flax seeds in there, coconut, all of that. Peanut butter. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me also show y'all what I got husband for his birthday. Oh, but y'all didn't know which one I picked. So the first one was Valentino. I think this is Roma in Paris or something like that. It smells good. And then the second one was Jean Paul. I love Jean Paul. Gaultier. Put the thing back on there. Pretty. That's how your body's going to look. Cut like that. Yeah, so that's what I bought him for his beanie.
With every sale managed in one place, your customers are waiting.
Who has a story about Odysseus?
What I try to bring to the Odyssey is a texture of using real-world solutions and using that to inform them.
Okay, I'm about to put on my face mask for 20 minutes and do my nails quick fast. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I gotta show y'all the nails I'm gonna do. The ackee bowl, oh, I'm so full. I am so full.
The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on with. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna love you with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down. You don't make it time. I'm being honest, I wanna be down. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for. Maybe you need to show up to cry. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. It's all you need is the time, and I could guarantee I'll better get all my love and take you home, baby. I'm gonna stay by your side, be cool.
Okay, so did my lashes, nails are done. I like them, they look so pretty. Did my nails. I got my outfit out. So I wanted to wear this chain, but I'm not so much of a choker kind of girl. I don't like chokers, and I don't like my chains up here. If it was here, then I would be more comfortable. So I think I'm gonna wear this. This was gifted to me, and I really, really like it. It really blings a lot. It really blings a lot, the chain. So I think I'm gonna wear that. I'm wearing this. I'm gonna wear my Kurt Gaga bag. I've never used it. This will be my first time. This was the earrings I was looking for. So I'm trying to see if I'm going to go with these or go with these. And the reason I wasn't gonna wear the chain was because I didn't have any like studs to go with it. With the one that I have on, I could wear like something like this. You know, you don't try to do too much all at one time. So I'm not too sure. I don't know. I guess I'll see how it looks. Well, let's try it on. Let's see. Let me see. Right? Let's just try. Okay. Let me see now. Let me see light. Okay. Some light. And if y'all know me, y'all know I normally don't even be doing my nails like this long. It'd be a bit too much. So I thought these were really, really pretty. Island vibes. And with the chain, what do y'all think? Is it a yay or a nay? Is it a yay or a nay? And this looks like it's backwards. Either Greg put it on backwards or it is backwards. Okay. Yay or nay? That's the ex-husband. Husband, these with this, or let me try the other one. My husband just be looking at me like, girl, bye. Girl, bye. Oh, I need help. All right, babe, you gotta take this off the necklace so I can put the other one on. You can put it on the table. That probably would fit royalty good. Cause she like everything I like anyway. But I'm not sure if that's the dress for that. I don't think so. I don't know. It's very, very blingy. We'll see. So definitely not with these earrings. But if I wear these earrings, then I'll wear the other necklace. But I don't. Let me see. These are the next ones. They're just a little bit smaller. They're just a little bit smaller. They are pretty though. I bought all this stuff for when I go on vacation, y'all. Okay. That looks a little bit better. I don't know. So the shoes is like my necklace, honestly. We shall see. Let me see. I wasn't even recording. Our reservations is for 7. I already did lashes. As you can see, I already did nails, feet. Don't mind the ash. There's nothing else I gotta do. I don't think I'm gonna do makeup. Maybe a little bit of shimmer. And that's it. What time is it? I want to leave here at... What time do you think is a good time, Greg? 6? We're like... I'm going to say 20 minutes one restaurant and probably 15 minutes the other restaurant. Your phone. So, yeah. So, I'm going to soon start getting ready. I'm so proud of myself. I just was on point today and on time with everything. Like, I was so intentional about today. From this morning, getting up to go get his cake, go to the bank. Even, like, preparing myself, and like I was so like on top of it. I was very intentional today. I feel really, really good. I don't feel rushed. I think it is a horrible feeling when you are getting ready to go somewhere and you are pressed for time and you're rushing. It's the worst, especially for women. I don't know why women do it, but it's the worst. And my husband, he just has to get dressed. I don't know what he's wearing, what he's doing. But yeah. So, but why is Royce looking for me? She's like, oh yeah, Royce's at my mom's house. And my mom's coming tomorrow to cook for my husband for his birthday. That's her gift to him. And yeah, so other than that, all right, I'm gonna let my phone charge and I will see y'all when your girl gets dressed. I'm feeling so good. I think because I haven't dressed up in a long time. So, but I feel good. I feel pretty. I feel fresh. I feel like it's my birthday, honestly. Greg is not really being too hypey, but that's why I don't want to spend any more birthdays here in America. I want us to try and make the initiative and be intentional about our birthdays moving forward. We can have dinner anywhere in the world. So next year it'll be different. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my phone on the charger because now I'm just chatting, and I'm going to let my phone charge up, and then I will see y'all when your girl is dressed. Clock it.